The Golden Secrets of Drawing, number 30. It's okay to be an amateur. Amateur has come to be a derogatory term. The dictionary says an amateur is someone who follows a pursuit unpaid. It also says an amateur is someone who is incompetent or inept in some way. It's perfectly okay to be unpaid and to work hard for the love of it, but not to be incompetent or inept. Amateurs can often be far more proficient and skilled than professionals. Being a full-time artist or creator is a lot of hard work and worry. You have to be an entrepreneur, always looking for the next idea to make some money. An amateur has the luxury of a job that pays the bills. Come the end of the day, and at the weekend, when all the chores are done, you can relax and draw to your heart's content. You can draw all day long in the knowledge that this is your time put aside for you. You must tell everyone and let them know you are not being selfish, you are following your calling. This is important to you. Enjoy your precious time. Thanks for watching. Now go and pick up a pencil, any old pencil, and draw something. How about an easy portrait of a woman? Make sure you are subscribed to the Shu Rayner Drawing channel and keep coming back for lots more drawings and advice. In the meantime, keep drawing, practice, and I'll see you next time. You take care now. Bye-bye.